The container garden. A flexible, fun, and accessible way to bring plants into your space. Whether you have a small balcony, a patio, or just want to add some color to your backyard, container gardening can help you create a beautiful, lush garden anywhere. Let's look closer at the container garden. Why choose container gardening? Container gardening is perfect if you're short on space or want a low maintenance garden setup. Containers let you control your soil, move plants around, grow almost anything from flowers and herbs to vegetables and even small fruit trees. Plus, they're portable, so you can rearrange them to suit your space or bring them indoors when the weather changes. Choosing the right containers. The container you choose matters. Make sure it's big enough for the plant's root system, and always pick a pot with drainage holes. For beginners, terracotta or ceramic pots are great. They're breathable and help keep the soil at a balanced moisture level. For herbs or smaller plants, smaller pots work well, while veggies and larger plants need deeper containers to grow strong roots. Choosing the right soil. Good soil is key in container gardening. Use a high-quality potting mix, which is lightweight and retains moisture better than regular garden soil. Adding a bit of compost or slow-release fertilizer will help give your plants a nutrient boost. Remember, plants in containers need rich soil since they can't draw nutrients from the ground like plants in the garden. What to plant in containers? One of the best parts of container gardening is the variety. Herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint do great in small pots and are perfect for kitchen gardens. If you want flowers, try marigolds, petunias, or geraniums. For veggies, tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, and even carrots grow beautifully in containers. Just pick plants that suit your space and sunlight. There's a container plant for almost every environment. Caring for your container plants. Plants in containers need a bit more attention, especially when it comes to watering. Containers dry out faster than garden beds, so check the soil moisture regularly. Water thoroughly, but avoid letting water sit at the bottom. Good drainage is crucial. Also, because nutrients wash out with frequent watering, fertilize your containers about once a month during the growing season. Arranging and styling your container garden. One of the fun parts of container gardening is arranging your pots to create a mini oasis. Mix containers of different heights and colors to add visual interest. Group sun-loving plants together and shade plants in another area to make care easier. Hanging baskets, plant stands, or even vertical wall planters can make the most of small spaces, giving you a lush, layered look. Container gardening is a fantastic way to enjoy gardening no matter the size of your space. With the right pots, soil, and plant choices, you can create a colorful, thriving container garden anywhere.